नुस्तें म्हळ्यार गोंयकार पिशे. गोंयकारांक नुस्त्या बगर तोंडान उणी देवपाक कठीण. ह्याच संकल्पनेंतल्यान आयतारा पणजेच्या युनायटेड फ्रेंड्स क्लबान कॅप्टन ऑफ टाउन्स जेटी कडेन अखील गोंय पावंड्यार 11वी नुस्तें गरोवपाची सर्त आयोजीत केल्ली. हातूंत गोंयभरच्यान बऱ्याचशा नुस्तें मोग्यांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो. RDX गो खातीर पणजेच्यान जोझफ फर्नांडीस.
इवेंट मेनली आमी केला गोंयकारांक लागून. तांकां फिशिंगाची चड उमेद. आतां केन्नाय जाल्यार सगळे फिशिंगाक वचूंक सोदता त्या टायमार. एवरी इयर आमी हो इवेंट बिटवीन ऑगस्ट टू ऑक्टोबर ह्या टायमार करता आनी लोकांक हिंगा सांगता आनी एक शेवटय धाकटो शेवटय लागलेलो आहा. आय वूड लायक टू थँक ईच एंड एवरी पार्टिसिपंट हू कम्स ओवर हियर टू मेक आवर इवेंट अ ग्रँड सक्सेस.
How you feel fishing? Good. You do fishing at home?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. How easy is this competition now?
Yes, it is.
Nice it is. So what have you put for fishing now?
I have put the sardine.
Sardine. Okay. And you come every year? First time you came from where you came?
Chinchini.
Chinchini. All the way from Chinchini you came for fishing. You love fishing? आता नुस्त्याचो चड आवड तुका गरोवपाक?
हय.
कितली वर्सां जाली तूं हांगा येता?
जायती वर्सां जालीं आनी हिंगा कॉम्पिटिशनाक वर्सां वर्सां आसता.
ओके. आनी तुवें कसलें कसलें नुस्तें सो गरोवन कशें काडलां कशें?
आमचें चडशें कॉम्पिटिशनाक न्हू पूण बेस्ट गरोवंक येता तेन्ना पालू, तामाशे, मागीर बागुई गमलें तुका मागीर जायते गेम्सांनी काडला.
So you love fishing?
Yeah.
So how many years you are coming here now?
3 years we came.
For this competition
Yeah,
you are coming. Okay, so what have you put now for fishing?
We put fish,
Okay, you have, so what type of fish you use?
sardines.
Sardines. Okay, so you are hoping for a good catch.
Yeah.
How many years you have been coming for fishing?
For the last 2 years.
2 years you are coming for this competition. You love fishing?
Yes.
Okay, so what happened today?
I was using with the live bait.
Okay,
It's called tilapia
okay,
and sardine.
okay.
I have, tried to put it next to that, the ramp.
This competition, fishing competition was very good and hope it takes place every year. And I have removed the GoPro and it was a very good experience taking part in this fishing competition. And I wish the organizers to a very good success and hope they have it every year.